Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. And in this video, I'm going to share my experience of attending TechDose DSA course. So I just dropped out of four classes. After four classes, that means after 2 weeks. So my experience and my review will be based on those 2 weeks and why in the end we'll see that why I dropped out it and like there are some positive and negatives also. So initially I don't want to make this video because I didn't have a good experience, but rather than mocking him or like I'll tell you the reality, and after that you yourself can decide whether this course will be good for you or not. Okay, so let's start. And like before starting, let me show you that I was I was a genuine student, so I have paid this, and you get this receipt. So here it is, and I enrolled it in February 2022, and the course was started like in the next month, that is in March. Okay, so the syllabus. Let's go to syllabus. So this is TechDose run two kind of courses. So one for the US candidates and one for the Indian one. So I have joined the Indian batch, and this was a weekend batch, and you yourself can see the syllabus, and the syllabus is also available on his website. So I will like comment add the website in the description box so you can check it out from there. So like time complexity will be covered, then algorithms, bit manipulation, array, okay, meet in the middle, stack. So all these this is the syllabus. So I cannot guarantee whether he has like covered, but still, like if someone posts that this is the syllabus, then there are high chances that he would have covered this. Okay, so you can have a look on the syllabus, and after that, let's start the other part. So the syllabus is covered, and the timings was, so I was enrolled in the weekend batch. So I don't know whether he has a weekday batch or not, but you can check out the same thing on his website. But my timings were from like 3 to 4:30, so that was almost like 2 to 2.5 hours of live class. So I was enrolled in live session. Okay, and like sometimes I'm not sure whether it was 2:30 or 3. So you yourself can, that doesn't matter actually. And the classes were on uh, Saturday plus Sunday. Like this was the weekend batch. Okay. Now coming to the fees, as you can see that was in dollars, but in Indian rupees, at that time I paid around 16K. Yeah, to be precise, that was 16.5K. And if you get along someone, so if you refer someone or you two join, so that will be 16K. So I joined with one of my friends, so for me it was 16K. Okay, but if you are joining alone, then for you it will be 16.5K. So these are the like basic points. So like let's cover the positives. Okay, the first positive is that he's working in Google. So that means he has the thorough understanding of each and every topic. And if he himself has, like, I'm talking about Surya. So Surya runs this TechDose Surya Pratap Kahar. So he also has his very famous YouTube channel. So you can check out his YouTube channel and see his teaching style and how he actually teaches and all that. So he's working in Google. So that means he has that caliber and understanding. So no doubt. And this is one of a big positive point, that he himself is working in Google, so that after like completing the course, he can refer you in Google also. Okay, and he has some good connections. So the community which you join. So when I joined, I found some of the guys were really smart. Okay, so the community and like the connections of Surya will surely help you. So that is the positive. Second positive is that like the syllabus was kind of enough, I think, for the DSA course because yeah, so the syllabus was extensive, and after that, like his teaching style was okay. So teaching style is also, I'll say, okay to good, because whatever he taught me in those 2 weeks, I almost got everything. Now coming to the negative and why I dropped out of it. So you must be wondering that if everything is so fancy, then why someone will like drop out of it. So I'll tell you some of the reasons. The first reason was uh, that there are actually two guys. So one is Surya, and there is one more guy who like, so Surya teaches the main concept. So let me So Surya will teach the concept, and after that, like your all the doubt classes and practice one will be taken by some other guy. So he was also good. I don't actually remember his name, but he was also good. But after some time, like once he like introduced the other guy, so I thought that he should have told this thing in the initially only. Okay, so when you were enrolling that time, like there are certain terms and conditions that okay, these things will be included, just like you book a, let's say, package, holiday package. So in that they mention that okay, the airfare will be, so you got my point that all the terms and conditions, so there is nothing wrong in like introducing one more guy. Okay, so this is not visible, so let me like cut copy paste it here. I hope it is visible now. Yeah, so like the main classes were taken by Surya, and there were other classes like the doubt and the practice sessions, so they were taken by some other guy. So like I didn't like that actually, because if that should have been the condition, then he should have told it in the beginning itself, like before paying the fees. So that was the first like point for me, that I didn't actually like this thing. Second thing is refund. So if someone like, there should be like in most of the courses, let's say, I'll not talk about the Udemy, but in most of the live courses. So previously I have taken Naveen's course plus the testing mini byte course and couple of other courses also. So everyone has that refund window. So let's say after 2 weeks, or let's say even after two classes. So even after two classes, if you don't like it, so there should be a refund policy, and that was not present here. Although he refunded me 50% of the amount, yeah, uh, like he not actually 50%, he refunded me 75%. So 16K was the fees, and I took only four classes. That means 2 week of classes, and in that he cut down the 4K and refunded me the 12K. Okay, so that was good on his part, and I'm thankful to him that he at least refunded. But there should be a policy that after 2 weeks, if you like, if you're not liking something, that like there should be provision to for the refund. Okay, and the third, like this is not such a big thing, but still there was, I sometimes felt that unprofessionalism was there, that if like he told us that he's this is like mine batch was his ninth batch, the Indian batch. Okay, so if you have like eight batches experience, then you should at least come on time. So like based out of those four classes, every time he joined after 10 minutes. So I understand that there can be some technical glitches, or like there can be endless possibilities that he's not joining on time, but one and two times is okay. But if he's regularly doing this, then like again this is not a major point, but again like I felt it, so I'm telling you. So like my point of making this video is that it's a good course, no doubt, because whatever like after dropping out of this course also, so I regularly like saw on LinkedIn as well as on his WhatsApp that most of the guys are cracking good companies. But like you yourself has to see that okay, like whether this course is for you or not, because everyone tells their success story. No one tells that okay, out of those 50, only two are cracking Microsoft or Google. So like those two will be highlighted and those 48 will not be highlighted. So my point is that it's a good course, no doubt in that. that he himself is working in Google. Again, he has that community and everything is good. But if you're planning to join this course, then please clear out these things with that, whether only he will be teaching or there are a couple of more guys that will be like introduced in between, or what is the refund policy. Okay, that's it, guys. I think I have covered everything, and this was the reason of me of dropping out of this course. And again, this is not a bad course. My motive of and my intention of making this video is not to like discourage anyone from joining this, but before joining, you should at least like clear out these things with Surya. And after dropping out from this course, so I have joined the other course. So it's by Sahil Srivastav. So he's very famous on LinkedIn, and his website is Swagwala Developer. So I'll again comment down that website in my description box, so you can check it out. And the motive of like when before joining any DSA course, so you look out some other options. So there was this Geek for Geek batch also. Like for DSA, there are endless like courses. So the positive in some other video, I'll try to review the course. So this one was by Sahil Srivastav. So he's very active over LinkedIn, and his website is Swagwala Developer. Dev. So you can also check it out. And from 25th of August, so he will be running a new course again. Like the motive of me endorsing Sahil Srivastav is that like I joined this course, although I was not able to complete it. Like I haven't actually watched the whole course, so that was again a live session, but I actually liked it. And this course is only for 4K, so there is like this one is almost four times. Again, like I don't want to compare this, because if anyone is like the fees is subjective from person to person. Okay, so someone can find this at 16K very helpful, and someone can find like if you are a student particularly and want to enroll in a DSA, then this is highly recommended course. Again, like this is not a paid review. I'm not getting anything from either Sahil or Surya, but this is just my journey and my observations. Okay, and again, I'll make a dedicated video on the Sahil's course, and like it will be available pretty soon. So that's it, guys. And still, if you have any doubt, just comment down below, and I'll be very happy to help you. Thank you, guys, for watching.